As far as maintenance requirements, I would say it's simple. You got your engine and you got your transmission and you got your rear ends. There's no hydrostat. It's simply grease and oil, and it's easy to work on.
The maintenance is super simple. The access to anything that needs maintenance is easy to get to. They have a lot of thought in the engineering behind the maintenance part of it.
The maintenance on the Apache Sprayer is pretty easy as far as being simple. You just have grease fittings, and we change our filters on our intervals like we're supposed to. And other than that, they don't require a whole lot of other maintenance. They hold up pretty well.
The newer Apaches have less maintenance than even the earlier ones. And with the new slingshot, most of the problems can always be solved over the telephone.
So the maintenance on it's been one of the things that we really enjoyed about it. It uses a lot of parts that aren't specific to the Apache. We're very fortunate that we're only about 25 miles from our dealer, and they've been excellent to work with. That being said, we've also got a couple other dealers for other colored equipment close by, and we're able to get a lot of the parts locally through them as well. So that's been very convenient and a nice part of the Apache compared to some of the brands that have more specialized parts.